Kia ora whānau, nau mai, hoki mai, welcome back. Basically to the first real element within this system of learning, ara ko te tohu oro reo. So this is the sign for the sounds of the language. And up here we have a bit of a breakdown. So there's 95 different sounds within Te Reo Māori, within the phonology of Te Reo. We have short vowels, which are a, e, I, o, u. So my students, you'll be familiar with this Te Reo āringa that we're using. 5 short vowels, a, e, I, o, u, a, e, I, o, u. Both sides, with both hands you can do that. There's the long vowels, a, e, I, o, u, or the double vowels, oro tahi pūrua. So the Māori name for vowel is oro puare, poto, short vowel. Oro puare roa, which is a long vowel, which can be a, e, I, o, u, or we have a long sound also with double vowels, oro tahi pūrua, 2 letters, 1 sound, a, e, I, o, u, so 5 long sounds. We have 10 consonants. They are h, k, m, n, p, r, t, w, ng, f, and you can always replay the video a few times. So basically h, why we do that, it's a hammering action, so the word for hammer is hammer. K, kapu, for a cup. M, mutu, stop, halt. M, n, naku, that belongs to me, mine, naku, mine. Hekamana p, peke, like jumping something, jumping over something. R, going along the rori, or the road, r. T, for chop, or tope. Tope is the word for chop. Hekamana pira t. W, for watch, or wati, w. Ng, for bite. Ng, ng, ngo, ngo. So the Māori word for in Māori is ngo. Hekamana pira te w, ng. And last but not least, f, f. And that means whāriki or mat. So we have 10 consonants. H, k, m, n, p, r, t, w, ng, f. We have 20 vowel blends. Okay, so those vowel blends are, well, 25, but remember 5 of them are actually what they call diphthongs, double vowels. A, e, I, o, u. So there are those. But then we have these. So what I've got is my right hand, linga mato. Mato meaning right, can you say that? Mato, right. Maui, left. Okay, so I've got right hand. So put your right hand up. You hold the first vowel, which is a. Now left hand, ringa maui. And you scroll through the 5 vowels, and then they make vowel blends. So those are e, I, a, o, ao, a, u, o. Now right hand, your right hand, which is opposite to mine, e. Same again, e, a, ea, e, I, a, e, o, eo, e, u, eu. Third one, right hand, linga mato, I. Starting with a, e, I. Here we go. I, a, ia, I, e, ie, I, o, io, I, u, iu. Now we have o, right hand still. Got your right hand up, linga mato, o. Scrolling through on your left hand the 5 vowels. O, a, oa, o, e, oi, o, I, oi, o, u, o. And last but not least, we have u. So on your right hand we have u. U, can you say that? U sounds a bit like an orangutan or something. U, u, u. U. On your right hand, ringa mato, a. On your left hand, ringa maui, u, a, ua, u, e, ue, u, I, ui, u, o, uo, u, u. 25 vowel blends. Then last but not least, we have the mora, which are the sounds or the syllables as well, mora. And they are a combination of vowels and consonants. So if you grab your ringa maui, your left hand, and you hold that being on a, so grab your left hand, which is the opposite to mine, and now we go through the 10 consonants in our right hand. So it'll be like this, ha, a, ha, okay? But I'm not going to do that, I'm just going to go through them in one go. Ha, ka, Mana Para Tawa Ngā Wha. E on your left hand. Grab your left hand. Linga maui. E. Now the 10 consonants. He, ke, me, ne, pe, re, te, we, nge, fe. I. Hi, ki, mi, ni, pi, ri, ti, we, nge, fe. O. Hoko, mo, no, po, ro, to, wo, ngo, fo. U. Hu, ku, mu, nu, pu, ru, tu, wu, ngu, fu. Now, some of you, oh, that's too fast, that's too first, but that's what the video is for now. You can just replay that. So there's 95 sounds. So let's see if we can do that, how fast we can do that. Usually takes around about a minute, believe it or not. But let's give it a go. Oro, puare, poto. 5 short vowels on both hands. A, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. Double vowels, long sounds. Oro, puare, roa. A, e, I, o, u. Or the alternative. A, e, I, o, u. We've got 10 vowel blends. Let's try the vowel blends. A, I, au, o, e, ea, e, a, eo, eu, I, ia, ie, I, io, iu, o, oa, oe, oi, o, o, u, ua, ue, ui, uo, u. 25 vowel blends. Now we've got our ahaka mana paratawas. Oh, we've got our 10 consonants, sorry. H, k, m, n, p, r, t, w, ng, f. Now we've got the ahaka mana ne. So let's try that. Haka mana paratawa nga fa. Heke mene pere te we nge fe. I. Hiki mini piri ti we nge fi. O. Hoko mo no poro to. Wo. Wo. Fo. Last but not least. Hu ku mu nu pu ru tu wu ngu fu. So that's what we've created. Te Reo Āringa, the language of the hands, to physicalize the symbols that we see. Those symbols actually stemming from the English language, but they're still depicting our written language in Te Reo Māori. So just as a wrap up, remember that's depicting like a capital letter A in English. That's like a lowercase letter E. E in English, the letter I, but the letter I sound like E in Māori. O, which is a circle. O for the letter O, and U for the letter U. I hope that's of some help. Ngā mihi kia koutou.